Hi everyone and welcome to Skillistan. My name is Veshu Bhargav, co-founder of Skillistan along with my partners Disha and Dr. Smita. And today we have a very beautiful guest along with us who is Trupti A. Khan. Welcome Trupti on Skillistan.
Thank you.
Okay, so just let me tell you, Trupti is, I don't know, she's wearing so many hats. She is a corporate professional who has 16 years of experience into marketing and sales, then turned into an award-winning chef, turned into an author, and today she is a certified holistic health practitioner. She owns Sattvic Bakery too, and she's a mother of two beautiful daughters, and she's doing wonders. So as on Skillistan, as we promised that we here empower each other, especially the women, and today Trupti is here to empower all of us. Welcome Trupti once again.
Thank you so much. It's absolute my pleasure and heartfelt gratitude to the entire platform to provide this opportunity.
It's our pleasure, Trupti. So as I introduced you, I would like to हमारे ऑडियंस को आप अपने बारे में बताएं कि who's Trupti, what you feel about yourself.
Okay, so Trupti is, I'm a Mumbaikar, basically. I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. And now I am a holistic healthcare practitioner, as you mentioned. And I'm a mother of two sweet angels, who's 8 and 10. And I'm a wife to a super supportive man. So that's about me. As far as professionals is concerned, yes, professionally, I have been a corporate, corporate professional into sales and marketing for 16 long years. Wow. And have been always been a entrepreneur. And 2017 is when I actually decided and turned an entrepreneur, because so journey from entrepreneur to entrepreneur have been really remarkable, and I would say with a lot of challenges and a lot of achievements as well. So okay. It's sweet and spicy journey, I would say, from entrepreneur to entrepreneur.
A nice word. I like the word entrepreneur to entrepreneur. So as you mentioned, 2017 was the year when you started your journey as an entrepreneur. We would like to know that spice. What was that spice added into your life that made you, turn from entrepreneur to entrepreneur?
Sure. So as you know, women actually go through a lot of changes in terms of physical, emotional, career, and in all aspects of our life, we have to compromise somewhere or the other. And though I did not compromise much, while I was at my peak of my career, I decided, or rather, I would say, me and my husband decided to start a family, and that's how I entered into a motherhood in 2011. So it was a planned break of 4 to 5 years, and I said, okay, I want to really spend that quality time with when children are young at that stage. So 2011 to 15 was the time where I actually spent a lot of time with my kids as well as internally with me, with myself, because that's where I started thinking about my passion, my interest, my I would say, baking. When I started baking, I was only 12-year-old, and since then, I had that a deep desire to bake and serve kids. And so when I became a mother, I really felt that, oh, this is the best time to experiment and parallelly feed your child something which is very healthy. And that actually took me to the stage where there was a reality show happening in 2013, and I used to watch when my children, my elder one used to go to sleep. So वो जब देखा और जब मैंने देखा कि वहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटी दिख रही है मुझे मेरी आइडेंटिटी बनाने का, मैंने सोचा इससे अच्छा तरीका और इससे अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म और कोई नहीं हो सकता जहाँ पे मैं अपने आप को प्रूव करूं कि यस आई एम द बेस्ट. बिकॉज कितना भी कर लो, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर वाली चीज होती है. जब हम घर में बनाते हैं कोई चीज तो फैमिली हस्बैंड और एंड सिंस माइन इज क्वाइट अ डिफरेंट I would say a shift from Guju family to a completely different family. In-laws house was absolutely though it was like more of a religious change hai, but yes, they were very warm and they were very supportive.
Wow, that's
they
awesome.
Used to cook also something which is which I love to eat. And my mother-in-law is very sweet. She is absolutely darling. She makes those veg food for me so that I can
Wow.
don't miss anything else. So that's how, in fact, we started. And so my entire those 5 years of break, we really, I explored a lot of areas. And when I participated in this reality show, I realized that, okay, this is the place where I really want to contribute and see where, how I can, showcase something, my skills. And that's where me and my husband participated in this Sanjeev Kapoor Ki Kitchen Ki Khiladi. And
Wow.
yeah, and we competed with international chef Vicky Ratnani. And we showcased a 120-year-old recipe called Yakni Pulao, which is originally a non-veg preparation. But though, because I'm a vegetarian and I only prepare veg food, so
Yeah.
I made the entire recipe, non-veg dish to India veg version of it. And the most important thrilled part for me was that dish was never served, in the Indian restaurants so far.
Oh.
So 2013, when I shared this with Sanjeev Kapoor, he was absolutely stunned that, how is it possible? So we said, okay, no, I had done my research, so I knew that, it is not being served in any of the restaurants, and I wanted actually to showcase that dish because it's very, very close to my husband's heart. That's his favorite recipe. So we said, okay, let's try that, and we underwent a lot of, series of auditions and stuff, and then we actually break through the things, and we won it. In fact, the law, being a law of attraction practitioner, I found that I actually put it across all the practices that time in those 5 months, where I won. I in fact completely won. In fact, I was doing walking talking information when I went for that particular day on the finale. Me and my husband was visualizing that at the end of the day we'll have a trophy in our hand. So the entire journey of 5 years, I would say, it was more of exploring my niche, my passion, and my interest, what I feel good about. And at one point, which came in very, 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 very strongly, is I want to really help people. I like to help people. So people used to call me Pandora box in my corporate. So I never used to figure out that why they are calling me Pandora box. और लोगों ने तो LinkedIn पे जाके भी मुझे उन्होंने कहते हैं ना वो recommendations और देते हैं, उसमें उन्होंने इस हद तक बात किया है कि Trupti is a Pandora box. And I was supposed to wonder कि क्या मैंने सच में इतना contribute किया उनकी life में, और मैं इतना कभी नहीं लेती थी कि हाँ ठीक है. I used to always say thank you and thank you for the opportunity. But then I started realizing that I love it. After being a mom, if any mom is in trouble, or if mom wants help, any in middle of night or any time, because part of mom's community, the biggest part of mom's community since 2014, I had very closely interacted with moms, new moms, and I delivered my second baby in 2014. So I was actually experiencing that journey of motherhood and the challenges which one can undergo, and also forming a new habit to the children, like, उनको बैठ के क्या खाना खिलाना, वो एक घंटा उनके पीछे पीछे खाना खिलाने वाला बात. तो थोड़ी थोड़ी चीजें ना सीखी है जो मेरे जो सीनियर फ्रेंड्स थे उनसे. और मुझे लगता है वक्त बहुत कुछ सिखा देता है, बच्चे भी बहुत कुछ सिखा देते हैं. तो उन्होंने भी बहुत कुछ सिखाया, मैंने भी खुद एक्सप्लोर किया, और शायद मुझे लगता है कि 16 साल की जर्नी में, I think this 5 years I am most thankful and grateful, because those are I would say those 5 years have been my stepping stone of my entrepreneur journey. Because उसके बाद when I got back to my job in 2015, I wasn't comfortable. Corporate में जाने के बाद ऐसे लगता था कि I don't think this place is for me anymore, because something was missing.
It's like I don't belong here.
I don't belong to this space, absolutely. And मुझे ये लगता था कि यार मैं आ तो गई हूँ वापस, उसमें अपग्रेड भी कर लिया मैंने स्किल काफी सारा, ताकि मैं वापस आ सकूं, मेरा कमबैक हो सके. But then, in Bombay, if you see, traffic jams and stuff, so मुझे धीरे धीरे ना वो खलने लग गया, क्योंकि तब तक मैंने टाइम मैनेजमेंट सीख लिया था. 24 घंटे को कितना इफेक्टिवली प्रोडक्टिवली यूज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि मॉम बनने के बाद आप बहुत कुछ चीजें सीख जाते हो. तो टाइम मैनेजमेंट वाज समथिंग व्हिच आई लर्नड इट. And I realized that I'm wasting my 4.5 hours in traveling, commuting to that place.
Yeah, Mumbai
I
is
wish
a
pandemic
big
वो time पे
place.
आता, but pandemic वो time पे नहीं आया, तो 4 से 5 घंटे मेरे traveling में जाते थे. और जब वो हम carpool में जाते थे, again, you know, like in law of attraction says, what you resist, that persist. तो और जो thought आप बार बार करते हो, वो reality में बन जाता है. तो thought क्या था पता है? I started reading books during that journey, like 2.5 hours. Started reading different books, like mainly the self-help books.
Yeah.
Because I read only self-help books. I like to make better version of myself every day, or I would say every month. तो जब वो जर्नी शुरू की तो समझ में आया कि यार life is heading nowhere, because it's only home to office and office to home, and then picking up children from daycare center, and things were not, I wasn't happy with the entire setting. तो मैंने सोचा नहीं यार ये नहीं हो सकता है. फिर 2017 में हुआ कि मैंने सोचा कि मैं कुछ करूंगी, बट वो क्या कहते हैं ना कि वो कंफर्ट जोन में होते तो उतना करेज ही नहीं हम जुटा पाते कि कुछ ऐसे बिना वो सैलरी नहीं आएगा वैसा वाला कुछ विजुअलाइज ही नहीं कर सकते. नहीं तो सबसे बेस्ट है कि वो 31st को जब मैसेज आता है ना, दैट सैलरी हैज बीन क्रेडिटेड टू योर अकाउंट, वो जो फीलिंग है वो फीलिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को नहीं मिलती है. बट यस, ये फीलिंग मैंने अभी एक्सपीरियंस करना शुरू कर दिया था 2019-20 के बाद, कि उससे बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी फीलिंग आती है, क्योंकि वो अमाउंट अलग होते हैं. कॉर्पोरेट में सिर्फ एक अमाउंट आता है जो हर महीने डिपॉजिट होता है. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में हर वो अमाउंट चेंज हो जाता है, एंड बेस्ड ऑन योर एफर्ट इट चेंजेस, एंड दैट मेक्स द होल गेम ऑफ, आई वुड से, मुझे आई पर्सनली लाइक चैलेंजेस. और मुझे इसके लिए पसंद आता है क्योंकि मैं बहुत बड़ी जुगाड़ू हूँ, हिंदी में जैसे कहते हैं, और इंग्लिश में उसको कैसे कहते हैं, सोल्यूशनिस्ट, solution oriented attitude. So if anything, if universe throws any challenges, I like to figure out the best possible solution to that and work towards it. So I think that's the mantra, has been my mantra for my life, that और मुझे लगता है कि अगर वो प्रॉब्लम मेरी लाइफ में आया है तो मैं ही उसको ठीक कर सकती हूँ, इसीलिए ऊपर वाले ने दिया है. तो मुझे वो शायद भगवत गीता बहुत बचपन से पढ़ते आने की वजह से देयर आर 3-4 थिंग्स व्हिच हैज बिकम अ मंत्रा ऑफ माय लाइफ, कि जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, जो होगा वो भी अच्छे के लिए होगा, और जो हो रहा है वो भी अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. तो दैट हैज बिकम काइंड ऑफ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, इट्स इन ब्लड. तो कभी भी रिग्रेट नहीं होता, कभी वो गिल्टी फील नहीं होती. कभी कभी आ जाता है, बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल वी आर ह्यूमंस, तो वो इमोशंस आ जाते हैं. बट overall I feel the journey from entrepreneur to entrepreneur, that's what the spice and the sweet and spicy mix, because it's a combination of emotions. कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है, और जब ऑर्डर आता है या जब कुछ सक्सेस मिलती है, छोटी छोटी सक्सेस, जैसे कि ये संजीव कपूर के किचन खिलाड़ी का विनर होना, एंड गेटिंग दैट शेफ बैज, जो 4-4 साल लोग हॉस्पिटैलिटी के कॉलेज में बैठ के सीखते हैं, फिर जाके उनको वो छोटा सा बैज मिलता है, और मुझे वो 5 महीने के ऑडिशंस और ये सब करने के बाद मिल गया. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, मुझे लगा मैंने बहुत अच्छे से शॉर्टकट से वो पा लिया. बट या आई हैड टू स्टैंड टू दैट, बिकॉज इट्स अ रियली काइंड ऑफ अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल बैज. व्हेन आई एम वेयरिंग दैट बैज, इट गिव्स मी that responsibility, sense of responsibility, that yes, I need to deliver, I need to help people. And that's how I started my journey with Parley and a few more organizations, where I started developing recipes for them, using their product, used to tweak and reinvent the whole dish, and create desserts out of a small cake में से desserts बनाना, और मतलब cheese cake बनाना, वो सब. So it has been a very experimental and exciting journey, I would say.
Great. And I have a special respect for the people who can cook, because I do blunders while cooking. So and I really don't, I'm not into cooking that much. So जो लोग खाना बनाते हैं, and then those who cherish it, it's not just making the food, but making it with heart and soul, कि भाई you are serving somebody. So I have a special respect for those people and hats off to you for that.
Thank you.
एंड जैसे आपने बोला कि लाइफ बहुत कुछ सिखा देती है और बच्चे भी बहुत कुछ सिखा देते हैं, तो
हाँ.
एंड स्किलिस्तान इज ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग स्किल्स, डेवलपिंग स्किल्स. सो व्हाट आर द स्किल्स दैट you learn throughout the life from your children, from your communities? You have been a part of different communities,
Yes.
so what are the skills that you would like to share with us?
Quickly I'll share. There are like 4-5 skills which I feel really helped me even when I was in corporates or even now when I'm entrepreneur. It's just that intensity of those skills were I would say basic when I started, and then I started honing that skills by practicing it every day. For example, sales and marketing. सेल्स में अगर कोई लड़की है, पहले तो मैंने वो टाइम पे सेल्स ज्वाइन किया था जब लड़कियां नहीं करती थी सेल्स, तो और खास करके हमारी कम्युनिटी से तो कोई भी नहीं करता था.
Okay.
और वो भी ऐसी कंपनी में जहाँ पे हमारे फैमिली में ये कहा जाता था कि अच्छा डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर्स के बेटे आजकल चॉकलेट भी बेचने लग गए. So my first job was with Cadbury's, and that was the perception of my community and my family that अच्छा अभी ये नौबत आ गई कि MBA करने के बाद अब चॉकलेट भी बेचोगी. तो मुझे ये लगता था कि नहीं, आप लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि इट्स अ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी. कैडबरी, आई मीन इट्स अ ड्रीम जॉब, कम ऑन. तो मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, आपको ऐसे लग रहा है तो, बट मुझे पता था कि वो 6 महीने बाद चेंज हो जाएगा. सो बेसिकली बीइंग कॉन्फिडेंट एंड standing to your point that you are right, you are on a right path. It's just that some people will support you, some people will not. But if you have 100% confident and confidence in you first of all, and confidence in what you are doing, so I was very sure what I'm doing will actually take me to where I want to be. So I have been kind of person who keeps the milestone in mind before I start my journey. So when I started my career, so I had that milestone that okay, I want to work with the brands. तो फिर बाद में कैडबरी आया, फिर बाद में then there are few more international brands which I worked with, though not from FMCG but from education industry, but they are huge players. Warren Buffett की एक लौती education company है which is called World Book, which is a Chicago based publisher. And that's what law of attraction, शायद क्योंकि मुझे सिर्फ brands के साथ काम करना था, तो मुझे सिर्फ brands मिली on the way to work with, and where I can use my skills. I learned it there, from child psychologists, from very, very eminent trainers, how to interact with people, how to communicate with parents. So communication is a skill. I learned from being a vernacular person to learn, I would say brushing upon my English as a language, and then starting communicating and sales is basically, it's a service, it's a consultation, it's basically solving someone's problem.
Yes.
तो अगर किसी का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है तो उसको पहले समझना पड़ेगा प्रॉब्लम, तो उसके लिए कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ेगा, और कम्युनिकेट भी किससे करना पड़ेगा? स्ट्रेंजर के साथ. तो मैंने ये ज्यादा देखा है एप्रीहेंशन, लोग और ज्यादातर विमेन्स, दे आर वेरी एप्रीहेंसिव अबाउट टॉकिंग टू स्ट्रेंजर्स. ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज वी हैव अ कंडीशन. बचपन में कहा जाता था कि अनजान लोगों के हाथ से कैंडी मत लेना, किसी से बात नहीं करना, तो वो कंडीशन हम 40 साल के होने के बाद भी हम वो कैरी करते हैं. तो मैंने शायद थैंक्स टू यूनिवर्स दैट आई वाज इनटू सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग, सो आई कुड ब्रेक दैट लिमिटिंग बिलीफ व्हेन आई वाज इन माय 20s. एंड आई लव टू टॉक टू पीपल. मैं राह चलते किसी से भी बात कर सकती हूँ, कॉन्वर्सेशन स्ट्राइक कर सकती हूँ, एंड कर सकती हूँ, और मतलब आई कैन डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो कम्युनिकेशन इज वन. सेकंड इज बीइंग करेजियस. भले अंदर आपको डर लगता हो, घबराहट हो रही हो, बाहर मत दिखाओ कि आप डरे हुए हो, घबराए हुए हो, नहीं तो लोग उसका फायदा उठाएंगे. सो बी, even if you are not feeling confident, but show that you are confident. I feel that's important. And persuasion, then negotiation skills, negotiation skill, I learned it from my kids. They are big time negotiators. वो अपनी बात मनाने के लिए कुछ भी करते हैं. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि यार उनसे अच्छा, मुझे तब तक लगता था कि मैं अच्छी नेगोशिएटर हूँ क्योंकि मैं सेल्स में हूँ, बट जब वो आए मेरी जिंदगी में तो मुझे समझ में आया एक्चुअल नेगोशिएशन क्या होता है. छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए भी नेगोशिएट करना पड़ता है उनके साथ, और हार माननी पड़ती है. क्योंकि
Yes.
और कभी जीत और कभी हार होते रहती है, तो वो मुझे लगता है कि हर माँ, हर पेरेंट्स को पता ही होता है. इट जस्ट दैट हम उसको ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं दे सकते या देते हैं, या तो फिर हम उसको बैक साइड पे देते हैं, बट दैट एक्चुअली इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट स्किल.
And that's how your book came, right? 4 p.m. Monster. It's
Oh
like, it's
yes.
unique, it's authentic, and it solves the purpose कि भाई 4 बजे वाली भूख को कैसे शांत करना.
No, and I realized big time because वो 2015 से 17 वाला जो phase था
Yeah.
ना, I was doing a lot of reflection and I was realizing कि मैं कैसे help करूँ लोगों को, और मुझे अंदर ना बड़ा वो कहते हैं ना, दिल में और पेट में दोनों जगह पे मतलब ऐसे ऊधम मची रहती थी कि मैं कैसे ये problem को solve करूँ. और being a baker, you know, if I ask you, what do you think, what comes in your mind, first three things, what comes in your mind when I say baking?
Bread, cake, that comes to my mind.
ओके, लाइक नान खटाई या फिर कोई कुकीज
Naan
और ये
khatai,
सब. तो
cookies,
मैंने
yeah.
बहुत सारे लोगों को पूछा था ये, maybe 100+ people, when I asked them what does the baking means, then they also said the same thing, like, you know, bread, cookie, cake, but they can't think anything, they couldn't actually think of anything else apart from this. But baking is a process. It's absolutely up to you what you want to bake. And that's all talks about my book, which is 4 p.m. Monster. It's absolutely about your 4 p.m. Hunger when you can't resist, but you actually go to the ready-made packet food. So my book is all about the healthy 30 snacks, which gets ready under 30 minutes, and it's simply baked without oil, without any artificial
Wow, that's
flavors,
amazing.
preservatives, nothing. And you can store them. I've actually given tips and tricks to store those snacks so that you can eat it for longest period of time. And they are like hardly 1 or 2 bakes or breads recipe in it. Majority, all out of 30, 25 recipes तो snacks हैं जो शायद हम कभी बनाते नहीं हैं baked में.
Yeah, exactly. That's wonderful, Trupti. It was such a pleasure to have you here at Skillistan. Just one final message that you would like to give our audience.
Okay. So now, since you know, I'm at a place where I help people help reverse and prevent their health conditions. Mind, body, and spirit is what holistic healthcare is all about. And Juiceathon is my initiative which I've started, and 100+ people are joining this Juiceathon, where I encourage people to detox. So I feel that's one message which I want to give to everyone is be mindful about what you are putting in your body, and also focus on the cleansing process. So what you are putting in your body and mind, if you are conscious and mindful about it, you will definitely do the detox, and that's how you will create a balance of your mind, body, and soul, and you will lead a happy, healthy, and medicine-free lifestyle.
Wonderful, Trupti. And people, you can follow Trupti on Instagram and Facebook. On Instagram, she is known as Magnificent Trupti, and on Facebook, she is Trupti Ekhan. And all the details about Juiceathon and her book will be available on her profile, and we'll try to mention them in the description also in this video. Thank you, Trupti, and do not forget to follow us on Skillistan, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And it was wonderful to have you. Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Take
Absolute
care.
privilege. Bye. Take care.